Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new, you're most definitely welcome. Before the intro, I'm going to give you 1 minute or 1 second, or better still right now. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a super brand new video on my channel. We come here, you know, to have fun, to glam up, you know what I mean? We do makeup, hair tutorial, fashion, we do it here. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out any video coming from me. Okay, that being said, if you're my OG, thank you so much. One love big time. You guys are, and I noticed I have a new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. You're amazing, beautiful. Enough of the talking. I did post last week because I was too busy that I just had to, you know, take a cheap pill, okay? Like I never left. Just pretend nothing happened. We are good. I'm coming up to you with this super glam holiday makeup look. As you can tell, I'm looking super glamorous, bougie, classic, especially look put together. You know, I love to use that word. Makeup is an effortless makeup. Just pay attention. You can recreate it if you wanna, okay, if you like. Anyway, guys, enough of the talking. I'm excited about this tutorial. Reason being, I got a new palette from BH Cosmetics. This one is a Fairy Lights palette, super beautiful palette. Around this palette right here costs for €19.99. Super beautiful. I love the fact that it has this kind of glitter packaging, super beautiful. As you can tell, it has a green, it has a lemon, it has a neon green, name it, it has a silver. It's so cute, so it's super beautiful, and in the palette is more interesting. Check it out. With this palette you can go wrong at all. I only have one eyeshadow that has fallout, but other than that, the rest eyeshadow, they are super bomb. The pigment is insane, it's beautiful. Wow, it's so cute. When I first saw it, I said no, I'm not going to go out with that. I don't take this palette, and also it's affordable. Sometimes you need to save some money for something else. Yeah, super beautiful. You have your beautiful pink. I can't wait to use that pink. I don't care if it is winter, but trust me, I'm going to play with that pink. I'm going to make it juicy, don't worry. I love the palette. You have a transition color, you have a smoky, you have your champagne, you have your rose gold, you have all the shade that you need to read just to achieve the eye makeup look. Super beautiful. For the price, is beautiful. I use this color on my lid, and on my outer corner I use this color right here. You're going to see everything on this video. I just really want to put this out there. And I also got 2 liquid lipstick, but let me just show you the one I'm having on right now. Is this Loreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is called TZ Ruby. Super beautiful, which is 864. Super beautiful. The pigment is insane. I have a 2 other shade which I had before, and the pigment, the texture of this liquid lipstick feels super rich, super rich. Kind of remind me of the Smashbox liquid lipstick, but I decided just to, you know, try another one, try another brand. Super affordable. I think it was €11 or €12 if I'm not mistaken. I said it's beautiful, you can't go wrong. This is the season you need to rock your beautiful bold lip color, especially when it comes to holiday Xmas season. Beautiful. And I also got another one which is from Maybelline, Vivet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Rebel Red. Wow, so beautiful. I can't wait to use this liquid, these 2 red lipstick. I'm going to be rocking them a lot in the holiday season right now. So yeah, definitely I'm going to be wearing one of these to my Christmas party in our office. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe please, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this eye makeup look. We are having a curve cut crease look, and with a super boldly the look. We are winter, of course. My hair, everything, just make everything juicy, you know. Before I forget, I did my face off camera because I really want to focus on this eyeshadow. I didn't want to mismatch at all in the liquid lipstick, so I only did my eye on camera. But don't worry, I got you. I'm going to leave all the product that I use description box. Make sure you check it out. If there is anything you're interested, make sure you check it out. And if you have any question, please feel free to leave me a comment in the section below, and I'll be glad to read all your wonderful, amazing, uplifting comments. You know what I mean? I got you. Make sure you stick around and watch this video, because we are about to get glam. Get glam. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Thank you, love you, ciao. Mwah. Guys, as you can tell, my face is pretty much done, so I'm just going to go straight ahead and focus on this eyelid. I'm going to be using the Infallible Modern Concealer. So that is going to serve, this is going to serve as my eyeshadow base concealer, guys. The coverage, I said it's a couple of times now, is insane, my new obsession. So yeah, I'm just going to use the applicator to apply it on my eye, and I'm planning of going for cut crease, guys. I'm going for cut crease look, because this palette I really need to do the darling, just going to play around this palette, like seriously. Eye base, I'm going to be taking this brush by Loreal Prime Virgin brush. It's going to go ahead and but I have to apply a setting powder under my eye, so we don't have any messed up under our eye. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to do that, and I'm using my sponge. Sacha Buttercup setting powder, just a very tiny bit, so we don't have any patchiness. Gray shade right here. I'm just going to go ahead, look at it right there. I'm just going to go ahead and start to blend. I'm going to dab, because we are doing a cut crease. When we are doing a cut crease, you don't need to blend too much, just dab so you can get that pigment on your crease. Okay, not that you do a lot of blending, at the end of the day you don't have any color showing up. Okay, your crease needs to pop to the guts, you know what I'm saying, honey? So as you can see me doing, I'm just dabbing, the same thing to the other side. So yeah, our lid is beautiful, and it has a super large mirror, which is also pretty. Loving the transition color, guys. I'm loving the way I started. Get a new palette, guys, and when the palette is just playing along, it's like my whole life, it's on point. My life is on point. Oh God, I'm not being grateful right here, girl. What are you saying? I was a slave of tongue. Anyway guys, basically what I was just saying, when the palette is playing along, my life is easier to do my makeup. Okay, I'm more relaxed. But when the eyeshadow is like taking my life to the from 100 to 0, like, no. See, that's beautiful, very gently and blend. Not really, because a lot of color is going to come on. We are going to do a lot of layer right there. This one is calling for a skin tone shade. I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to dab from my outer corner to my inner corner to my crease area, all those jars that need to pop. The palette is just loving me. You see the transition color already? The palette is just loving me. I'm going to be doing a curve cut crease. Okay, curve. That is why I'm just, you know, you see the way I'm dabbing. Curve. We are going to be doing a curve cut crease. This smaller brush from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be taking this shade. As you can tell, we are beauty from light to dark. Okay, this shade right. And guys, I must say the fallout is super bearable. Check the palette, we have no fallout yet. A little bit from this color, which is the Focus, thank you. So a little bit fallout, just a very tiny bit, but super bearable. Make sure you don't lose the first shade, okay? Because I can see the first shade on my outer V. which is my brow bone area. Go ahead and take the first shade with the second shade. I'm just going to mix them together, and I'm going to go ahead and blend the edges out very softly. I want my brow bone area not to be too dark, but trust me honey, my crease is going to be smoky. Okay, going to be smoking too. I'm just going to be taking this shade right here called Mose. I'm going to go ahead and do that on my crease and my inner. Yeah, just going to diffuse it instead of blending, because when I blend it I'm going to lose those first shades that I've applied on my crease. So I'm just diffusing it. You guys see what I'm taking? Yes, see that? I'm going to be taking this Silver Petite Crease brush, okay, and I'm going to take this shade right here, this one, and blend the edges. Crease using the Modern Concealer Infallible by Loreal. I'm just going to take my crease, so I'm going to be taking my concealer brush and then go ahead and cut my crease. Boom! Boomy! Boomy! We are Gucci gang. Are you a Gucci gang? Let me know. Gucci bang, money bang, Gucci bang, got it bang. So guys, for our crease, I'm taking this shade right here. Super bomb, super beautiful color. Guys, you see that? This is super glam. So beautiful. The corner there, because I want to apply another shade right there. I don't want to go all the way with the middle lid. Taking this shade right here, and this one is called Sultry. This one right here, so brownish eyeshadow-ish. So I'm just going to apply that on my other corner. Yes. Now we are talking. I'm wingy, but before that I'm going to be eating something. I'm hungry. When it comes to Christmas season, this is what I always eat. It's called macaroni. So good. Good. So I'm going to take this shade. I'm just going to blend my bottom lashes. Only this color right here. I'm going to be taking this Karl Lagerfeld mascara, my new obsession. Purposely choose for this eye look. You guys know all my look have different kind of eyelashes, okay? So I'm going to be taking these lashes from Emeda, this one right here. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking this champagne shade right here. the color. Super rich, super rich, super rich. I don't think I'm going to be needing a lip liner, so let me just be concentrating so I can get my lips in shape, in place. All right. So guys, pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be right back to show you the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and do some valve with my wig and change my outfit. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Mama is coming with a bomb finished look. Okay.